Alright, so here's your duplex guide plate that got spoiled that got broken on your machine. So here it is, sent to you. So how to fix it is what we are doing now. How you're going to fix it on the machine. You open the side cover, you open it down, then you raise this guard plate. Before fixing it, you raise the guard plate. So now note this is front, this face front, and note these two clip, this clip and this clip. So now this iron sits here. It sits on this flat plate here. This iron sits on the flat plate. Why this comes here, this comes here, this comes here. Then make sure this black is worn on this. This would rest on this. That's this black side will rest on this. So as entrance. So while you fix this will be very easy to fix. So let's go. This comes in. You do a little expansion. Why this sits here. And you can have your hand to brace and lift the iron at this side. So for a proper entrance. You can see this is sitting on a flat plate, while these two are out here already. So to the other side. So a little lift from here allows this to come in. Just little lift from here allow this to come in. So with that, you are good to go. Fix and run it.